My favourite place in Milton Keynes is the Escape because it has a lot of places where you can explore and have fun, and there's new activities that you could find, and you could buy a lot of things there.
Bicycles that could drive on trees.
I think my favourite place in Milton Keynes is the city centre because I get to hang out with my friends and there's a lot of things to do.
And there's going to be tall buildings to the sky and coloured trees and invisible doors. In 50 years, I think Milton Keynes will have dinosaur transport. Lots of people riding on dinosaurs. All the cars will be little and the people have to drink a potion to fit in the car. The car could drive by themselves. 100 miles.
The swimming pools, the one in MÓTUS.
Giant sweeties falling out of the sky. When someone is hungry, they fall out.